Hello, good morning! Good morning, class! Welcome in our English class. Today we are in quarter 3, week 5. Our lesson for today is about details in short stories or poems. For our lesson objectives, at the end of the lesson, the learners will be able to note important details pertaining to character, setting, and events, and give the correct sequence of 3 events. Okay, let's have some drill or practice. Okay, just check the set of picture cards that are in sequence. Okay, are you ready now? Let's begin. Look at the set of picture cards. I will give 3. Okay, which of the following set of picture cards are in sequence? Put a check mark. Okay, is it number 1, number 2, or number 3? Okay, what is your answer? Very good. This is number 2. What else? Great! It is also number 3. This shows that um, the following picture cards are in correct order or in correct sequence. Number 4 and number 5. Which of the following 2 set of picture cards are in sequence? Okay, put a check mark. Okay, what is your answer? Very good. That is number 5. Okay, do you get it correctly? Great. Okay, for our activity 1, sing a song, Itsy Bitsy Spider. Okay, do you know the song? Itsy Bitsy Spider, are you familiar with it? Okay, great. Ah, this is the Itsy Bitsy Spider. Okay? Let's sing, ha? You join with me in singing. Okay? Ready? Okay. Ah, itsy, itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sunshine and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again. Okay. I want you to think of the events in the song. Okay? Uh, Read the paragraph below or in the next slide. Arrange it based on the events in the story or song. Which of the following sentences will be the first? Okay? Can you point it out? Very good. That is, itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. Okay? Uh, which will be the next? Very good. That is, down came the rain and washed the spider out. And then after that, okay, great. That is, out came the sunshine and dried up all the rain. And lastly, it is number 4. and the itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again. Okay? Do you get it correctly? Okay, very good. Remember this, that noting details, if you can answer questions that begin with who, what, when, and how many about a picture, a story, or a poem, you know how to note details. Noting details is finding bits of ideas or information about what is seen or read. It answers questions like who. When we say who is used to ask questions about person or persons. Okay, when we say who, it asks questions about person like this one. Okay, or persons. Next is what. What is used to ask question about thing or an action. Did you understand? Okay. Where? Where is used to ask question about a place or place. Okay. For example of a place on the beach, in the sea, by the river, or at home. When? When is used to ask question about time, like at night, tonight, every day, and tomorrow. Or for example, it tells about the time. For example, is 3 o'clock, 5 o'clock, past quarter 1, or quarter to 7, just like that, okay? Elements of the story. Characters. When we say characters, these are the people or animals in a story. It is the most important character in the story. Next is setting. Setting is the time and place of a story. It answers the questions when and where. Okay? Next is events. Events tells about what happens in the story. First, then next or last, shows or gives an idea about the events in the story. Events used to tell the events in order. Okay, when we say events, these are the happenings in the story. What happens in the story? Usually, it begins with the words first, then, next, and last. And it should be in order or in proper order, starting from the beginning up to the last event. Next is sequencing events. When we say sequence, sequence is the order in which things happen in a series of pictures, story, or selection. First, next, and last are clue words that helps you see the order of events. So, these clue words helps us uh, to understand or to give us idea about the order or the sequence of events. Okay, read the story and write the letter of the correct answer. It is also a nursery rhyme. Okay? Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty Dumpty together again. Okay. If you want to sing it, okay. You may sing it. Okay. Very good. Let's answer. Number 1. Who fell off the wall? A or B? Write the answer on your notebook. Okay, the correct answer is letter A. That is Humpty Dumpty. Okay, do you get it correctly? Very good. Next, number 2. Who tried to help Humpty Dumpty? A or B? Okay, and the correct answer is letter B. All the king's horses and king's men tried to help Humpty Dumpty, but they couldn't bring back Humpty Dumpty together again. Okay, number 3. Where was Humpty Dumpty sitting? Or where was Humpty sitting? Okay, A or B? Write your answer. And the correct answer is letter A. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Okay? Are you correct? Very good. Number 4. What happened to Humpty after he sat on the wall? A. He had a great fall. Or B. He had a great walk. Okay, and the correct answer is letter A. He had a great fall. And lastly, number 5. What was Humpty wearing on his head? A. Hat. B. Crown. Okay, write your answer. And the correct answer is letter B. Crown. Okay, count the number of the correct answer. What is your score? Okay, very good. Now, look at the picture. Put the story in correct order, or put the picture in correct order or sequence. Okay? Just write or tell me number 1, 2, or 3. Okay, in this first picture, what number should be in the first picture? Okay, that is number 1. Okay, that is number 1. Next, the second picture should be number 2 or number 3. Okay, great. That is number 3. And picture 3. What number is it? Okay, that is number 2. Okay. They got this correctly? Very good. Okay, thank you for the time that you allotted in our lesson or video lesson. Thank you for listening and watching our lesson. Okay, I hope that you learned our lesson for today. And if ever there are part of the lesson that you did not understand, you may repeat watching this video lesson until you understand our lesson or the part of the lesson that you are having hard time. Okay? Did you understand? Thank you and till next time. Goodbye.